Good day everyone, welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video we are going to modify this watch Casio F-105 using MN strap. So it's a fabric strap with this stretching characteristic and it's fun and comfortable to wear. So this strap is 18mm and also this watch has lug size 18mm. It is using pin, not spring bar, and we are going to now start by removing the original strap. So okay, I have this spring bar remover. It's a very simple tool and yes, you can buy it cheap. And this one is the basic one. We are going to use this tip to remove the pin from this watch. And I'm going to use this paper for the base to push the pin from this watch. So we are going to put this one, the Y-shaped end, to the paper. And I'm going to use the pointy shape to push out. So okay, let's take a look at the strap. So this has this arrow at this direction, also this one. So this means this is the way the pin will comes out. Okay, so I will hold like this the watch and put the spring bar remover in this position. And yes, we will, okay, I will put to this hole and this one as a base for the Y-shaped end. Yes, okay, now it's already removed. And actually I have removed the pin on this watch several times, so it's not too hard to do that. But if your watch is still new and you haven't do any modification or haven't removed the watch strap, then it might be a bit harder than this. Okay, now one pin is removed and now the other one. Let me put the remover, and then okay, this one is a bit harder but still easy. Okay, both pins are out. To install this MN strap, the position is like this. The hook is on the top side but it's on the bottom layer like this. Okay, and then we will put the watch in this position like this, and then we will insert the pin to hold the strap in place like this. Okay, so now I forgot where to insert the pin from, so let me take a look from the strap. So it's going to be this way. So this is the way the pin comes out, so it should be the other way around. Okay, this one, meaning I have to put from this side. So okay, the pin has two ends. This one is the just round end and this one is with some kind of, I don't know how it's called, maybe a notch or something. So this one is the end that will goes in to the lug. Okay, and then okay, let me push and let me zoom in. Okay, and yeah, okay, it's a bit it needs some kind of pushing around here. Okay, and yes, now let me use the spring bar remover end to push. Yes, okay, so now we have one side of the lug with the pin, and then let's do the same thing for the other end. So yes, the same direction this way, and this is the pin. Okay, we are going to insert the one with the this one with the tab or notch. This one goes in from this position. So if you see here, there are two buttons, so it goes from the side with two buttons. Okay, and then moving along the lug holes, and now time to push to the other hole. Okay, and use this to push the strap in. Okay, sorry, to push the pin inside, and done. So now we have installed the MN strap to this watch F-105. It looks nice. I like the color combination, and actually I'm looking for a strap with blue lines or something, but so far I cannot found it yet. Maybe if you have some reference, please put in the comment below. So yeah, this one is the black and gray lines and looks okay. Actually, I have several options for this modification. I'm about to modify my W59, but I think I will need something that I can use at night many times at low light conditions, so I choose this one, F-105, because it has this cool EL backlight. Okay, so now let me zoom out and let's try this new combination. Okay, and yeah, I need to slide this keeper to this side. Okay, anyway, I will also make a short video about the tips to put this flat buckle or flat hook to the buckle or keeper of the MN strap. And if this is the first time, then it's going to be a bit challenging. Okay, like this, how to put it. And there's a simple tips. So hold with your thumb and middle finger in this position. Okay, so the the end of the hook is on your thumb like this, and then put on the this one on the keeper side, and then use your index finger to help with the movement or to help with the direction of the keeper, and done. Okay, and yeah, this is how it looks now, the F-105 with MN strap, and it feels very comfortable. Okay, it's stretchy, so yeah. Oh, cool. If only I have blue lines MN strap, it would be much cooler than this, I think. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. It will help us to grow better and better. Okay, I think that's all for now, and hopefully this video is useful. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Have a great day.